Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix App Store missing on iPhone home screen. So if you are trying to access the App Store on your iPhone or Hype library, and you discover that the App Store is missing, you use the Spotlight search to search for App Store, but it's only available in the settings. Then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to fix App Store is missing on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the Settings app. On the Settings page, scroll down, locate, and then click on Screen Time. If you turned on Screen Time, first, you want to go ahead and click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Locate and click on iTunes and App Store purchases. Then, locate installing app, deleting app, or in-app purchases. All must be set to allow. So if at least one of these is set to don't allow, the App Store will not be available on the home screen or app menu on your iPhone. So click on where you see don't allow and set this to allow. Then type in your iPhone screen time passcode. Hit the back button. Now, go back to your iPhone home screen, check if the App Store is available at the moment. You see that? It's available. But if the App Store is not available, just go ahead and disable Content and Privacy Restrictions. Type in your iPhone passcode. Then you should see all of this disabled, and that's going to bring back the App Store app to your iPhone home screen. But the moment you see the App Store on the home screen, then there's no need to disable Content and Privacy Restrictions on your iPhone, and then you're good. Then if after all this, you still do not see the App Store on your iPhone home screen, then come here and turn off Screen Time. So you can just come down, disable, turn off app and website activities, and then disable Screen Time passcode. Turn this off. Once turn off Screen Time passcode, turn off website and app activity, then the App Store should be returned back to your iPhone home screen. So that is basically how to fix App Store missing on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.